our countertop soup warmer. First off, the overall dimensions. A length of 9 inches, a depth of 10.5 inches. Overall height, we have at least 11.5 inches tall. Coming to the top, we have the removable bowl, lid cover, along with a spoon to scoop your product. Measurement for the spoon itself will be at least 11.25 inches in length. Interior dimensions for the bowl will include 7 inches in radius by 8.5 inches tall. Measurement for the exterior, we will have at least 8.5 inches tall by 7.75 in radius. Bowl and spoon can be inserted back into a slot, along with the lid cover holding your product. And below will be a temperature adjustment from low to high, along with the power switch. Please note that 1/3 quarts of water must be added inside the compartment before adding the pot back into its slot. That way the water will act as a main heating source that will heat your products being held within the pot. Unit uses 110-120 voltage connection. Coming to the bottom of the warmer will include the ETL certification along with the technical specification for this food warmer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.